Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, Discover Boss, and we're here with another commercial development update. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, and just join the family. I know sometimes you guys watch the video and don't subscribe for whatever reason, but consider subscribing. Remember to leave a comment as well. Let me know what you think about this development, and like the video and share the video as well. That will help YouTube to recommend the video to other persons on the channel or on YouTube that have never seen the channel. So this property is called East 15 because it's on Eastwood Park Road, right in the middle of Halfway Tree. It's a plaza being developed. It's gonna be 3 floors with lower level parking underground, water reserve, 24-hour security. So it's right in the middle of Halfway Tree. So I did a previous video on this plaza when it just started. I'll put that in the comments as well and in the description so you guys can see where it's coming from. Not a very big plaza, right, but it's still a very central location. It's a very prime location in the middle of Halfway Tree. All right guys, so this is it. It's now being advertised for leasing, advertised for renting, so we know that it's not very long from now that it will be finished. That's the billboard right there of the finished look right there, East 15. All right, and what I'll do, I'll get a bit closer, go on the outside and show you guys around the place. So East 15 Plaza in the middle of Halfway Tree, another commercial development, and that's VXI call center right around the back. It's a very big building around there. That's VXI. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so there you have it, a quick view of the surrounding area where the plaza is located. East 15, that's where it's that's the name of it, and it's on 15 Eastwood Park Road, you know, smack in the middle of Halfway Tree. So we're just gonna finish the video just by driving around, you know, just the Halfway Tree town center a little bit, and then we close the video there. And as usual guys, remember to like, comment, share, and let me know what you think about this commercial development. Let me know what you think about this plaza, the location and everything. Let me know. Alright guys, so stay tuned while we take a little drive. Alright, so this is the transport center. And we're gonna head on Eastwood Park Road. Just showing you guys a quick glimpse of the area. And then these buses on the side go up to areas such as Stony Hill, Manor Park, you know, those areas, Kingston Spring Road. Alright, so we head on to Eastwood Park Road, and we'll also pass the plaza that's it on the left. We're on the compound of Burger King. And then we take this right onto Raymore Road. And we take this right onto Kingston Spring Road. Alright, so it's a bit overcast today as you can see. So it looks like some rain is gonna fall in a little bit. Alright, so Halfway Tree Town Center, again transport center on the right. You have banks and other corporate companies on this stretch. Alright guys, so just showing you a glimpse around the area where the plaza is located, so you have an idea of where we are. And again, thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comment, like and share, and if your subscribe button is still red, you know, join the family. Subscribe to the channel and join. And thanks for the continued support guys, really appreciate it. So stay tuned for another video. It could be a review, it could be an update, could be just a driving video, who knows. Stay tuned. Turn on that post notification bell so you're always alerted once I do a new upload on the channel.